Hi friend, welcome to the Company Law Education and Appeal series. Today we are discussing a Southern Regional Director Appellant Order against the adjudication order passed by the Chennai ROC imposing penalty of 5 lakh on the companies and 5 lakh each on the 4 officer in default. This penalty is reduced from 5 lakh to 25,000 each on every officer in default and on company. Let's see the wording of the adjudication order. This is the in the matter of the Mr. Tanjavur Spinning Mills Limited, and let's see the order facts. This appeal was filed under Section 454, Subsection 5 of the Companies Act by the appellant in prescribed form ADJ on 14th June 2022 against the Chennai ROC adjudication order for default in compliance with the requirement of Section 203 read with the Rule 8A of the Company Appointment and Remuneration of Managerial Personnel Rules 2014. As per Section 203, Subsection 1 of the Companies Act, every company belonging to such class or classes of the company as prescribed shall have the following whole-time key managerial personnel. First, MD, CEO or manager, and in their absence, whole-time director. And second, company secretary, and third, CFO. Provided that an individual shall not be appointed or reappointed as the chairperson of the company in pursuance of the articles, as well as the MD or CEO of the company at the same time after the commencement of the act, unless article of such company provide otherwise, or the company does not carry multiple businesses. Provided further that nothing contained in this first provision shall apply to such class of companies engaged in the multiple businesses and which has appointed one or more CEO for each such business as notified by the central government. And as per the Rule 8 of the Company Appointment and Remuneration of the Managerial Personnel Rules 2014, every listed company and every other public company having paid up share capital of 10 crore rupees or more shall have whole-time key managerial personnel, and pursuant to Rule 8A of the company, every company which has a paid up capital of 10 crore or more shall have a whole-time company secretary. In this case, company being unlisted public limited, one with a paid up capital of 27 crore 70 lakh failed to appoint a whole-time company secretary within 6 months from the date of the casual vacancy, that is from 17th February 2020 to 10th June 2022 in accordance with the Section 203 subsection 4 of the Companies Act, and also not appointed CEOs, Chief Executive Officer, within 6 months from the date from the due date from 31st November 2020 to 10th June 2022. The ROC Chennai, Tamil Nadu examined the said default and passed the adjudication order under Section 454, Subsection 3 and 4 of the Companies Act for the default in compliance with the requirement of Section 203 read with the Rule 8A of the Company's Appointment and Remuneration of Managerial Personnel Rules, and impose a penalty of 5 lakh upon the company and 5 lakh upon the 3 director and 5 lakh on the CFO of the company for default of 845 days respectively. That is the total penalty imposed here is the 25 lakh, the 5 lakh on company and 20 lakh on the officer in default. The appellant have contended the impugned order and pleaded that the delay had occurred due to unavoidable circumstances and default was unintentional. An opportunity of being heard was given to the appellant. The authorized representative of the company has appeared for the appellant while reiterating the grounds taken in the appeal, stated that the company has stopped its operation and decided to sell the asset to repay the loans and other financial liabilities. As a result, KMP have resigned and the company had put a strenuous efforts for searching KMP, but no candidate should show an interest to join. The company had filed a scheme of arrangement for reduction of share capital. If the scheme is approved, the necessity of appointment of KMP may not arise, and hence prayed for lenient view. Though there is a default committed, there is a ground in interfering with the impugned adjudication order of the ROC to the extent of reducing the quantum of penalty. Accordingly, penalty imposed are reduced from 5 lakh to 50,000 for the company. Uh, 50,000 to the 5 lakh to 50,000 to for the company, and 5 lakh to 25,000 on each officer in default. And appellant shall in order appellant shall pay the penalty in 15 days. This order was passed on 16th June 2022 and uploaded on portal in December 2022. Thank you so much for watching this update.